Number 5, substances in the surrounding, their state and properties. How will you identify the following? See in figure 5.7, identify various substances and objects. Here some objects are given, you can identify it. First, a glass. It is made up of plastic, steel or glass. Second, a rod, iron or aluminium. A door, wooden or glass. And last, a white powder, salt or chalk powder. Hmm? Means see, this is glass, it is plastic, steel or glass. This door is wooden or glass. This powder is chalk powder or salt. And this rod is aluminium or iron. You can find out this. A glass is transparent and brittle, that is, it breaks easily into small pieces. When pressure is applied on it, therefore a glass is made from glass and not from plastic or steel. When this is glass is made up from glass. Next, about rod. A rod shown in the given figure from iron. This is because the color of iron is black or dark grey, whereas that of aluminium is bright grey or silver. Next, about door. A door shown in the given figure is not transparent, hence it is made up from wood and not from glass. And last one, a white powder shown in the given figure is a chalk powder. To identify whether the powder is of salt or chalk, transfer a small experiment. Take some powder in a glass and add water to it. If the powder dissolves in water, then it is salt. If it is not dissolved in water, then must be a chalk powder. To answer the above questions, you consider their properties. Example, their transparency, hardness, weight, color and the sound produced from it. Solubility in water, etc. Substances can be identified by studying their properties. They can be put to use according to their properties. Let's study the properties of substances in greater detail. There are 7 properties of substances given in your book. The first property is brittleness. What is happen if pressure is applied on the substance like chalk, brick, alum, glass or a Rajgira vadi? These substances break into small pieces or particles. Such substances are said to be the brittle. This property of substance is called as a brittleness. See, if we apply the pressure on chalk, then what will happen? That chalk breaks and converted into small pieces. Similarly, Rajgira vadi or Rajgira ladu, if you apply a pressure on that, उसके क्या हो जाएंगे? छोटे छोटे particles हो जाएंगे. Means that property is called as a brittleness. Next is hardness. Take an iron nail, try to pierce a cardboard sheet, wet mud and a piece of wood using the nail. What happens? The nail easily pierces wet mud but not the piece of wood. Means you have to take the piece of wood and a wet mud. Wet mud means ओली मिट्टी लेनी, कीचड़ लेना है आपको. And you try to put that nail in mud, means in कीचड़. And similarly, you try to put that nail in a cardboard sheet. What will happen? The nail easily pierce wet mud. वो जो nail है वो wet mud में means वो कीचड़ में easily अंदर घुस जाएगा, but not the piece of wood. But वो जो हमने वो कार्डबोर्ड लिया है, वुड लिया है, उसमें वो जल्दी से नहीं जा सकता. It can be pierce the cardboard sheet with some efforts. Means you need some efforts to put that nail in a wood or in a cardboard. Why does this happen? The hardness of a substance is determined by how much resistance it offers to the substance being pushed through it. Means that cardboard is a hard. That's why we need more efforts to put that nail on a cardboard. Next property is elasticity. Stretch a rubber band and let it go or apply pressure on a piece of sponge and release it. What do you see? Means you take a rubber band and you stretch it, or you take a piece of sponge and you apply the pressure on it. What do you see? The rubber band and the sponge go back to their original shape. Some substance changes their shape when a force is applied on them, but return to their original shape and size when the force is removed. This property is called as a elasticity. See, this is a rubber band and I am applying a force on it. Then what? This rubber band is stretched. After removing force, the rubber band come in their original shape. This property is called as a elasticity.